Number of stages of life are determined by early Hindu species 4. Hymns of Rig Veda are also known as Suktas. God considered to be preserver and protector of universe is Lord Vishnu. Book of song, Vedas or chant, or even Soga song on Swami Veda. Veda of sacrificial formula is called Yajur Veda. Yajur Veda is contributed into two groups, Krishna and Shukla. Vedic god Brihaspati falls under category of Prithvi Asna. An epic, Indian epic that stands as long epic poem Mahabharata. According to Vedic text, function of Sangriti was to treasure and cashier. वेंकटेश्वरा को क्या भी कहते हैं, विष्णु भी कहते हैं. इन हिंदुइज्म में अर्थ, काम, धर्म, मोक्ष आर पुरुषार्थ. वृद्धक मुदक तैतरे एग्जाम्पल ऑफ उपनिषद. बीबी लाल ने हस्तिनापुर का एक्सकर्शन किया मेरठ डिस्ट्रिक्ट में 1951 से 52 में. धनुर्वेदा इज उपवेदा ऑफ यजुर्वेद विच डील्स विद आर्ट ऑफ वॉरफेयर. वैदिक पीरियड कब चला? 1500 से 500 BC. लिम्स ऑफ वेदास known for explanation and meaning of college what is Nirukta. Vedas that talk about treatment of disease called Arth Veda. Satmev Jayate, inscribed in Devanagari script, is national emblem of India, has been taken from Mundaka Upanishad. Grandson of Bhim and Hidimba is barbaric. Original name of Mahabharata is Jayasamhita. Conversation between young boy named Nachiketa and young god is captured in Kathopanishad. In Mahabharata, Sanjay is blessed with divine vision. Sanjay explained Mahabharata in scene by scene blindly. They trust. During Vedic period, all religious rituals by king were performed by Purohit. The term Thakshan in Vedic age was used for carpenter. The yag in which horse was let loose to wander freely and guarded by rajas men in ancient India was called Asmet Yag. The deity known as breaker of fort in Rig Veda is called Indra. The hymn of Rig Veda used by Brahmins of ancient India to justify one system, Purusuksu. Rig Veda is related to knowledge of hymn of praise. Yajur Veda is related to knowledge of sacrificial knowledge. Sam Veda is related to knowledge of melodies and chants. Athar Veda is related to knowledge of magic formulas. During the early Vedic age, gods worshipped Indra, Arun, Agni, Surya. Rituals, golden worm, performed by new rituals to demonstrate their rebirth as Kshatriya is called Hiranyagarbha. According to Chaturshuma of Vedic period, term related to period of family life was Grihastha. Ayurveda is Upveda of Rig Veda. Dhanurveda is Upveda of Yajur Veda. It deals with art of warfare. Gandhar Veda deals with dance and music in the Upveda of Samveda. Silk Veda deals with architecture of Upveda of Athar Veda. Founder of Sam school of Hindu philosophy was Vedic Saj Kapila. Rig Veda is divided into 10 mandalas. Gayatri Mantra in Rig Veda is taken from Mandal 3. A scholar who prepared grammar for Sanskrit language is called Panini. Sushruta is called father of surgery. Animal related with Ashmedha ritual in Vedic India was horse. Sam Veda is considered to be one of the primary sources of Indian music and art. The words were composed in ancient texts, Samveda. The philosophy of eightfold path, 8 type of virtues were promoted by Gautam Buddha. Ancient book based on surgery is Sushruta Samhita.